You don't need to spend money on healthy snacks anymore, because you can make them at home with just a few avocados and a little nutritious seeds. Hello everyone, this is Tracy. Today, come into the kitchen with me, and we will make 2 healthy cookie recipes from avocados and nutritious seeds that are delicious and provide natural nutrition that is very good for the body. Let's start cooking with me. First is the recipe for seed cookies combined with rich and creamy avocado sauce. First, you need to choose evenly ripe avocados and boil the avocados for a few minutes before preparing them by gently bringing a small pot of water to a boil. When the water boils, carefully place the whole avocados into the pot. Cover the pot and simmer on low heat for about 3 minutes. Boiling avocados is a small trick that helps the avocados soften faster, especially when the avocados are still slightly firm. The heat from the hot water helps the flesh of the avocado become softer and easier to prepare. While the avocados are in the hot water, gently turn them so the heat spreads evenly around the fruit. After about 3 minutes, remove the avocados and immediately place them into a bowl of ice water to stop the heating process and help the avocados cool down while still keeping their freshness. After the avocados have cooled, take them out of the water and use 2 of them first. Cut them in half. Remove the pits and scoop the avocado flesh into a blender. At this point, you will see that they have become softer and creamier. Next, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. The lemon juice not only adds a light, fresh flavor, but also helps keep the avocado bright in color. Now blend everything until the mixture becomes smooth and evenly thick, with no large pieces remaining. Next, crack 2 eggs into the blender. Blend once again for about 2 minutes until the mixture is completely combined. The eggs will help bind the ingredients together and give the mixture a smoother texture. And just like that, you will have a soft, smooth mixture with a very beautiful, creamy consistency. Now prepare the nutritious seeds and nuts that are good for your health. First, place a pan on the stove over medium heat. Add about 50 grams of shelled pumpkin seeds and 50 grams of white sesame seeds, and spread them evenly in the pan. Roast them for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring so they cook evenly and do not burn. As they warm up, you will begin to smell the pleasant aroma of the seeds. Next, add about 30 grams of cashews, 30 grams of walnuts, and 30 grams of almonds to the pan, and continue roasting everything together for another 2 to 3 minutes. You do not need to roast them for too long, just enough to bring out their natural fragrance and create a light, crisp texture. After the nuts and seeds are lightly roasted, remove them from the pan and let them cool for a moment. Then place them into a blender or food processor and blend a few times until they become finely crushed. After the nuts have been finely ground, pour them directly into the avocado mixture and gently mix to create a soft and smooth avocado nut cream mixture. Next, prepare about 150 grams of rolled oats. Place the oats into a blender or food processor and blend a few times until they become slightly finer so they can combine more easily with the mixture. Then add them to the bowl together with the avocado and nut mixture. use a whisk to slowly stir everything together. You will see the mixture begin to thicken as the oats absorb some of the moisture from the avocado. At this point, add a little salt to balance the flavor of the snack. Continue mixing all the ingredients until they are evenly combined. The mixture will now look soft, thick, and easy to shape. Then place this mixture into a piping bag and easily shape it into any form you like. Next, line a baking tray with parchment paper and lightly brush a thin layer of oil to prevent sticking. Then gently shape the mixture into attractive cookie shapes or long sticks of equal size, depending on your preference. After shaping them, place the tray into an oven that has been preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 25 minutes. While waiting for the snacks to bake in the oven, prepare the avocado dipping sauce. Take the remaining avocado and cut it in half. Remove the pit, then scoop the soft flesh into a bowl. Using a fork, gently mash the avocado until it becomes smooth and creamy. Next, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. The lemon juice adds a light, fresh flavor and helps keep the avocado from turning brown. Add a little salt and a bit of black pepper to highlight the natural flavor of the avocado. Now add a little finely chopped red onion to create a light crunch and a fresh taste for the sauce. After that, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt or sour cream so the sauce has a smooth texture, a slightly tangy flavor, and a creamy consistency. Finally, sprinkle in a little chopped parsley. Gently mix all the ingredients together until everything is well combined. The result is a fresh, creamy avocado sauce that is rich in flavor and perfect for dipping the warm avocado snacks. After baking, carefully remove the tray from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Finally, simply arrange the cookies on a plate and place a bowl of creamy avocado sauce beside them. The snack will have a lightly crisp crust on the outside and a slightly soft filling on the inside. Take a bite and you will taste the gentle richness of avocado, the subtle aroma of roasted seeds, and a light crunch that makes every bite enjoyable. Dip a piece into the creamy avocado sauce, and the flavor becomes even more harmonious and balanced. If you don't finish them all, simply place the snacks in an airtight container and store them for later. They will still keep their delicious flavor and make a convenient, healthy snack anytime. The next healthy snack recipe is chia seed and flaxseed crackers that are rich in natural nutrition. First, prepare 1 cup of flax seeds and 1 cup of chia seeds. Place both of them into a large bowl. Then pour about 500 milliliters of water into the bowl and stir well, so the seeds absorb the water evenly. Let this mixture soak for about 15 minutes. During this time, the flax seeds and chia seeds will absorb the water and form a natural gel-like texture. Chia seeds and flax seeds are very nutritious and rich in fiber, plant protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for health. They also provide important minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and iron. These seeds support digestion, help you feel full longer, and are often included in healthy diets to support heart health and balanced nutrition. After 15 minutes, when the mixture has thickened, add 4 tablespoons of white sesame seeds, 4 tablespoons of shelled sunflower seeds, and 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. These seeds add a pleasant crunch and provide additional nutrients to the crackers. Next, season the mixture with a little salt, a little chili powder to create a mild heat, and a little turmeric to add color and additional health benefits. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and mix all the ingredients well until everything is evenly combined. Line a baking tray with parchment paper, then spread the seed mixture evenly over the surface into a thin layer. Then place the tray into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes until the mixture becomes firm, golden, and crispy. While waiting, you can prepare the dipping sauce by taking another ripe avocado and cutting it in half. Remove the pit. Then scoop the soft flesh into a bowl. Use a fork to gently mash the avocado until it becomes smooth. Next, squeeze in a little lemon juice to add a fresh flavor and help keep the avocado from turning brown. Now add a handful of chopped cherry tomatoes, a little salt, and a bit of black pepper. Sprinkle in a little freshly chopped parsley to bring a fresh aroma to the sauce. Gently mix all the ingredients together so everything blends well. To make the filling richer, add a little grated Parmesan cheese along with 1 minced clove of garlic, a little garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of mixed seasoning. Finally, mix in 1 spoon of yogurt. This helps create a smooth, creamy texture with a light tang that balances the richness of the avocado. Now return to the oven. When the crackers are done, take them out and let them cool slightly so they become crispier. Then arrange them on a plate and serve them with the avocado sauce you just made. The crackers are crunchy and full of a nutty aroma, while the avocado sauce is smooth, fresh, and slightly tangy, creating a perfect balance that is very suitable for a light breakfast or a nutritious snack. And those are 2 simple and healthy avocado snack recipes that you can easily make at home. Which one do you like more? Let me know in the comments. I hope these recipes are perfect for a light breakfast, an afternoon snack, or anytime you want something homemade and delicious. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to press the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and healthy recipes. See you in the next video.